Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Beto G. I'm back today with Madagascar trap beat. I'm going to be making Madagascar trap beat today. Just don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification bell so that anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified. I'm going to launch my FS2 by putting my cursor like this. Right click on my mouse, then click on piano roll. I'm going to wait for my FS2 to load and open. Now let's just wait a little bit. Now very soon my FS2 will open. Now I've opened my FS2. I'm going to click on add here like this. Then I'm going to click on citrus. After clicking on citrus, I'll put my cursor onto the empty space. Left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheels to channel 5. Click on plugin options. Then click on presets. That's it. I'm going to pick this one called Pauser. As you can see, this one is not sounding good for my Madagascar trap beat. I'm going to click on these plugin options, click on presets. I'm going to pick this one called the tune. After that, I'll put my cursor here on top of my detune. Right click on my mouse, click on piano roll. There, as you can see, this is my piano roll like this. This is my piano roll. I'll first of all just program my first 2 bars pattern of my Madagascar trap beat, then copy right to bars number 8. As you can see, I've programmed my first 2 bars pattern of my Madagascar trap beat. I'm going to highlight it like this, which I can see press Ctrl A and then press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. Then I'm going to add my bass melodies. These are my bass melodies. Good. Good. I've programmed my first melody. Now I'm going to pick my second melody again, which I'm going to click on add on my screen here. Click on these blue bars. Put my cursor here on top of this empty space. Left click and hold my left click button on my mouse. Then just turn the mouse wheels to channel 6. Put my cursor here. Right click. Then click on piano roll. I'll first of all just program the first to 4 bars pattern. Then copy it right to bars number 8. Now I've finished programming my second melody. I'll start to program my hi-hat now, which this is my hi-hat. I'll just put my cursor on top of channel 3, right click, then click on piano roll. I'll first of all just program the first 2 bars pattern, then copy right to bars number 8. Now let's go. The next step is I'll start to program my snare now. So this is my snare here. I'm going to put my cursor on top of channel 4 like this. Right click on my mouse, then click on piano roll. At the starting of 1 here, I'll just put my cursor like this. At the starting of at 1 here, I'll put my snare here. Now let's continue. Now I'm going to create a bounce here like this. I'm going to create a bounce here like this. The next step is I'm going to bring in my kick. I'm going to left click and hold it, drag it to channel 1. Right click, then click on piano roll. Now I'll start to program my kick now. The next step is what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my channel rack here, click on channel 1, click here, then turn the boost knob right up to 57%. 5, and we'll start to mix the beat now. Channel 5. I'm going to bring down channel 5 a little bit, bring channel 6 a little bit. Now I'm going to click slot 1, add a fruity parametric EQ2 on my first beat. Click on slot 2, add a fruity soft clipper. Slot 3, I'm going to add a fruity compressor. Slot 4, I'm going to add a sound womanizer. Turn down the mix level. On channel 6, I'm going to click on slot 1, add a fruity limiter. Click on slot 2, add a fruity soft clipper. Click on slot 3, add the fruity delay tool. Turn the mix level to mix level 1%. That's okay. I'm going to bring up my kick. Now I'll click here, swap left and right like this, like this. I'm going to swap left and right, reverse the polarity like this, like this. That's good. Where I've written pattern 1 here on my screen, I'll put my cursor here, right click, then click on split by channel. As you can see, everything I've programmed has appeared on the top left corner of my FL Studio. I'm going to click on my kick and click back my playlist. Make sure you click on draw, click on my hi-hat, click back my playlist like this, click on my snare, click back my playlist, click back on my first melody, click back my playlist, click on my last melody, click back my playlist. That's okay. I'm going to highlight to the left, which can press Ctrl A, press Ctrl and B several times. Now I'm going to remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. I'm going to highlight to the left, press Ctrl and B to extend my beat right up to 79. I'm going to extend my beat to my outro. I'm going to extend my beat. I'm going to extend my beat. I'm going to remove the hi-hat, remove the snare, 3 and 4. I'm going to put my cursor here, right click, then click create automation clip. On channel 4, I will right click, then click create automation clip. Then on slot 1, I'm going to add photo parametric EQ2. On channel 4, I'm going to click on slot 1 and add a photo parametric EQ2. That's okay. Now let's listen. But first of all, I'm going to spice up my Madagascar trap beat. At the ending of my intro, I'll put a little hi-hat here, and here. Now let's listen to the Madagascar trap beat from the start to the end. Thank you for watching. See you another time in another video. Let's go. Thank you for watching how to make Madagascar trap beat. See you next time in another video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.